Welcome back to Cars of Sweden Live, and yeah, we're back in the office. There is Mr. Sean Major working hard there. There you go. And follow me, yeah, because we are going to be messing with quite a special one actually. And there it is. Now tell me if that doesn't look like a Nissan Skyline Mark II maybe. Nissan Skyline is a renowned line of cars that has evolved significantly since its introduction in 1957. Initially launched as a four-door sedan, it gained recognition for its performance, particularly in motorsports. The early years between 1957 and 1969, the Skyline began as the Prince R8. Which transitioned to the Skyline 2000 GT in 1969, marking its entry into the sports car market. The next model generation was between 1970 and 1989. In 1971, the Skyline GT-R embodied performance with its racing pedigree. Throughout the 80s, various models refined the balance and luxury and the sportiness, especially with the introduction of the advanced technology. Regarded as one of the most iconic models, the R32 GT-R featured a powerful RB26DETT engine and the ATTESA all-wheel drive system, earning the nickname Godzilla. This generation improved upon the R32 in the terms of comfort and stability while maintaining performance. Becoming more popular as a versatile sports car, the R34 solidified the Skyline's legacy with the advanced technology, distinguished styling and high performance. It gained fame throughout its appearance in films and video games. After the GT-R was discontinued in 2002, the Skyline nameplate transitioned to broader markets under the Nissan Infiniti brand. Models like the Infiniti G35 and G37 continued the legacy of performance-focused vehicles. Today, the Skyline remains a culture icon, celebrated for its engineering excellence and strong ties to motorsport. The latest models continue to evolve, featuring modern technology while paying homage to the rich history of the Skyline lineage.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna lose.